Welcome back to BetterAvecBourbon. Today we'll be making a sweet, stunning cocktail, the French Daiquiri. Unlike the French martini, the Chambord here doesn't make it purple, but instead you get an apricot-like color. Nice and golden, ready for fall. It's great, so let's make it. For ingredients, you'll need gold rum, or more generally, a light-aged rum like Angostura 7 or Bacardi 8, pineapple juice, raspberry liqueur like Chambord, lime juice, and optionally a saline solution or just a dash of salt, and a pineapple frond for garnish if you've got one. Gather all of your ingredients and let's get to it. Grab your bar mat, and before doing anything else, grab your favorite coupe glass. It should be around 10 ounces to account for the frothiness you'll get from the pineapple juice. Fill it with ice and put it in the fridge. If you have a bit more time and space, you can always leave it in the fridge for a few hours instead. Next, grab your shaker tin and go to jigger. Add a dash of salt, and start by measuring out half an ounce of lime juice. Spill some to honor the lime sacrifice for this cocktail. Quickly wipe it up, and then add the lime juice to your tin. Next, your raspberry liqueur. Measure out 3/4 of an ounce and pour it in. Then, grab your pineapple juice, measure out an ounce, and pour it in. Lastly, measure out 2 ounces of your favorite gold rum and add it in. Once you've got all your ingredients in the tin, grab your coupe from earlier, swirl it around to ensure the whole glass is sufficiently chilled. Add the ice to your big tin, and then connect big to small and shake for a good 15 to 20 seconds. Gently strain, ensuring you get all the frothiness from the pineapple juice into your cocktail. Isn't that stunning? What a beautiful color. Struggle to garnish it with your pineapple frond because you refuse to use a cocktail clip or pick, and enjoy. It's bright, it's not sickly sweet from the Chambord, and it tastes like summer. Leave a comment down below if there's anything you'd like to see next. Cheers.